Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will guide you step by step to change your caste record in Tamil Nadu. Start by collecting primary identity proofs like SSLC, birth certificate, and voter ID. Also gather family certificates, community records, and any ancestral documents you possess. Get a stamped affidavit explaining the correction, notarized on a RS, 10 stamp paper. You should prepare photocopies and original documents for verification at the office. Make copies of all documents and organize them in chronological order before leaving for the Tahsildar office. Visit the local Tahsildar or revenue office to submit your application and notarized affidavit in person. Attach originals and photocopies of SSLC, birth certificate, voter ID, family records, and supporting documents. Pay any nominal fee, collect an acknowledgement receipt, and note the application reference number. The office will conduct verification with local authorities, witnesses, and online databases if available. Verification usually completes within 30 to 90 days. Follow up after 30 days if needed. If denied, if approved, you will receive an updated caste certificate signed and stamped by the Tahsildar office. Check the printed caste, name spellings, and parental details immediately upon receipt for accuracy. Get multiple certified copies and upload a scanned copy to your secure device and cloud storage. Update caste information wherever it matters, like school, college, employer bank, and government portals. If errors persist, file review with the district collector or civil court. Retain receipts and application reference numbers for future status checks and appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.